a Texan shave, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Here's another product spotlight, another one from Adopted Acres, and this one is one I cannot wait to shave with. I had some of the OG of this, the original of this particular fragrance before Doug and Kara were even Adopted Acres. Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir. And I know this is tweaked a bit from that original fragrance, and I definitely know this base is tweaked from that original little tub I used to have. I searched the world over for that tub. I don't know what I did with it. I've been wanting to do a comparison of the fragrance, but I have not been able to find it. It's somewhere in my den, but I'll find it someday. Anyway, so my last video, I was asking through the camera, I was asking Doug, did you change something in your base? Well, he didn't really change anything, but he's tweaked his process. And let me tell you, he didn't think it was a huge deal, but it was a noticeable difference. And so I am really looking forward to another shave with this new tweaked process soap from Adopted Acres. Any of you that have any previous versions of even his newest base, the Grand Champion base, be sure and pick up one of these, if not both of these, Summit Trail and Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir, because it's incredible. So incredible. I'm going to be doing a straight razor shave tonight with my Dorco. This is a Dorco 102. I purchased this from Ye Old Straight and Strop. Beautiful razor. I've been wanting a Dorco for a long time, and man, I just fell in love the second I saw that photo of that one. For the brush, I am using a Chisel and Hound Roosevelt Collection. Can't remember if I've shown this brush before or not. Beautiful, beautiful brush. There's the coin. Really, really love this brush. I have this set with a 24 millimeter SHD from Maggard's Badger brush, and let's get the brush loaded. So, a little bit about Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir. Step into the shadows of fall with Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir. Oh, it's so good. A hauntingly warm and seductive twist on the classic pumpkin scent. This handcrafted shave soap captures the cozy comfort of autumn nights where flickering lanterns meet the rich glow of barn's wooden beams. How about that, guys? Let's get this out. So the scent opens with a creamy pumpkin accord blended with 2 artisan fragrance oils, one spicy, one nostalgic. The other smooth and dessert-like. Beneath the sweetness, a refined heart of sandalwood and soft amber adds sophistication, while smoky undertones of leather embers, charred cedar, and a wisp of smoked oud crown the fragrance in rustic darkness. I need to be careful. I think I just overloaded that. Wasn't paying attention. I'm reading. It's not your typical pumpkin spice. It's pumpkin refined for the gentleman. I believe it. I believe it, every word. Our luxurious artisan base delivers a dense, creamy lather with outstanding cushion glide and post-shave feel, leaving your skin soft, hydrated, and ready to face crisp autumn mornings. The scent profile is spiced pumpkin, toasted vanilla, clove. The heart notes are sandalwood, creamy woods, amber, and the base is smoked cedar, leather, oud, embers. And here we go. Let's get the face wet. Move this out of the way. And let's get this shave going. Got about 24 hours growth. All right. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Now, this is the first time I'm shaving with this version of Pumpkin Sandalwood Oud, or it's Pumpkin Sandalwood Noir. Hopeful, right? I just wish there was a ton of oud in it. So, I'm looking forward to the new experience. I have smelled the splash. I haven't used it or put it on the back of my hand or anything, but I've smelled it out of the bottle, and man, it is glorious. Glorious. I think in the wet shaving community, fall is my favorite time. I am all about all the fall fragrances. I go crazy from the end of September to about mid-December. All the fragrances that get released during that time just always blow me away and are always some of my top favorite fragrances. And the artisans just kind of go nuts around this time of year too. Of course, Black Friday is in there and Christmas is in there, gifts and all, but man, the fragrances that come out during this time for me, fall fragrances are just the best. Man, this is wonderful. Oh, wow. Oh, it's definitely coming more alive now. It's a little subdued in the tub, but it is beautiful. Definitely getting more of that amber now. All right, let's get this going. Been a while since I straight shaved, so I will probably be a bit quiet while I pay attention. All right, here we go. All right. Super slick. Whatever you're doing, Doug, little tricks you told me that you changed, keep it up, because this is, I couldn't believe you got your base even better. I thought Grand Champion was it, but you are killing it right now. Just absolutely killing it. Excellent. Dragging some of my beard in there. So slick, I don't even need to add more lather. That's crazy. All right. All right. The aroma in my bathroom right now is just blowing me away. This is another one that transports me, man. It puts me in fall all day long. I am ready for some cold weather in Texas. I'm ready to go carve a jack-o'-lantern right now. Bob for apples, is that still a thing? Did I just age myself? I believe I did. I don't know if anyone does that anymore, but where's the headless horseman when you need it, right? That's the kind of mood this puts me in. It's amazing. All right, let's go for the second pass. Either a beard hair or that was a brush hair, one of the two. I think this brush is still a little bit of a lather hog. Let's get some of that squeezed out. There, oh yeah, much better. Need to use it more. This particular knot has taken me a bit longer to break in than all the other ones I've bought from Maggard's, the SHDs, but it is what it is, right? Alright. Ooh, careful. You know, look what I'm doing before I go to the mirror, right? A little fold right here that I always catch on. I need to figure out a better way to do that. It's not on this side, but this side just right in there, I got a little skin fold that always catches. Yep. Beautiful. All right, just gonna do 2 passes today. I think that was pretty good shave. One of the better straights I've had in a while. proud of it. Getting there. I've been using it a little bit more, not as much as I need to, but getting my little muscle memory in there. Gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. Oh man, fantastic! Boy, I love that razor. Really do. All right. I make myself good looking again, right? There we go. Get straight. All right. This is where the magic happens. Splash. One of my all-time favorites from the originals that was given to me back when he was had a lot of people testing. This one I fell in love with. Thought it was fantastic. He wasn't very happy with it back then, but I told him it's a masterpiece. Let's prime it up. Haven't used it. There we go. Oh, yes. I'm going, you know me, going all over. Oh, so much there. The splashes are so good. Okay, here we go. Definitely get a little more pumpkin out of this, more than everything more, but you know what it is? It's that toasted vanilla that's really shining right now on the top. Yeah, it's almost candied. It's almost like a burnt sugar. It's really nice. The clove, if you're worried about clove, it's barely there. It's just giving this little this spicy sharpness, but that's about it. You almost can't even tell it's clove. Oh man, the leather is very soft as well. It's not a sharp leather. I can't wait for the dry down. I'm getting a little bit of the smoked cedar and oud. Not crazy, but I'm sure the dry down's where that's going to shine for sure. Right now, it's just sweet, sugary pumpkin. Again, not overpowering, and it's not like a sickly. It's not like you're smelling a pumpkin pie or anything. The pumpkin, again, just like the clove, is just very supportive. Just it's like a memory. Oh, that is beautiful, guys. It's not your typical Halloween pumpkin fragrance, guys. Trust me, this is more refined. This is the gentleman's pumpkin shave soap fragrance, if you will. It's not gourmand at all. You do get the pumpkin, and you do get that kind of a sugary vanilla. The sugar's not listed there, but I get a little sugary note, but it's already fading. And that's about it. That's as close as gourmand it gets. And it's not even that gourmand with everything else, that sandalwood and the other creamy woods, whatever those are, really make this a dignified masculine fragrance. So good. It's not super dark like you think it would be, even though it's noir. It's right on the edge of the beginning of a darker fragrance, which makes it fun. It's not something you have to worry about will be too heavy. I mean, I would wear this on a warmer day than just a cold day. It is so good. Wow, that is fantastic. Great job, Doug and Kara. As always, Adopted Acres, you are here to stay. I cannot wait to see what you do the rest of this year and beyond. Y'all are killing it, and I will always be a loyal fan. That's it, guys. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next. This will be released, I think, along with Summit Trail this weekend. Don't quote me on it. I apologize I didn't mention that before. But again, I'm not 100% sure, as well as I'm not 100% sure with Summit Trail. I would say it's about a 90%, 99%, that somewhere in the middle of there, that both are going to be released this weekend. Find your peace in what and where you can. I should get better at this, right? We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
Find your peace in what and where you can.